Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and opening the interface to change size. First, check your Windows version in Settings System about so you know supported options. Then right-click an empty area of the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings to jump straight to controls. If you're on a work PC, make sure you have admin rights or permission. Once enabled, the Settings panel will load and you can move to the next adjustments without delays. Once in Taskbar Settings, focus on size controls and icon density. Toggle use small taskbar buttons or find taskbar behaviors and reduce icon size. This directly reduces height and visual clutter. You can also open display settings to lower scaling from 100% to 90% for a global, smaller UI. Make sure text remains readable. Next, hide unneeded icons in the system tray and turn off search or task view if present. These steps compound to make the taskbar noticeably smaller and neater. To finish, apply your changes and verify the new taskbar size, sometimes a log out or a restart of Explorer. EXE is required for the UI to refresh. If it won't shrink, make sure group policy or registry settings aren't forcing a layout. Check with your admin or revert conflicting registry entries carefully. As a quick fix, open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, and restart it. This forces the taskbar to redraw and usually resolves stubborn sizing issues immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.